Next up is the sixth dish for Christmas, 6. Roasted vegetables. Introduction provides color, freshness, and necessary fiber to the holiday spread, typically featuring root vegetables suitable for winter. Ingredients preparation: carrots, 300 grams, baby potatoes or regular potatoes, 300 grams, Brussels sprouts optional or broccoli, 200 grams, shallots, 5 to 6 bulbs. Olive oil, 50 milliliters, seasoning, sea salt, ground black pepper, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, minced garlic. Step-by-step instructions: wash and chop the vegetables into bite-sized, even pieces. Have the Brussels sprouts. Toss the vegetables thoroughly with olive oil and all seasonings, ensuring they are coated with a thin layer. Spread the vegetables in a single layer on a baking sheet. Do not overcrowd for even crisping. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway through until tender and golden brown. Presentation and serving: arrange the roasted vegetables around the roast turkey or glazed ham. Notes: roast at a high temperature to achieve a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. Please see the seventh dish next.